In my previous video, we learned how to get free hosting and free domain for your WordPress website and how to create Infinityfree web hosting account. If you have not watched that video, I will provide the link in my description and the I button. If you want to buy a hosting plan from Hostinger, I will provide a link for a 20% discount. If you want the link, you can find it in the description of every video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get SSL certificate for WordPress in Infinityfree web hosting. Infinityfree is globally popular hosting service that provide totally free web hosting for its users. Here you see I have added this custom domain to my Infinityfree web hosting. But if we check the domain, how it looks like, you see that it is saying this website is not secure. We must install SSL certificate to make this secure. Also, you can check SSL checker tool to ensure this. No SSL certificate is pointing into this domain. Now we will install SSL on Infinityfree. Click on Free SSL certificate. Then go for New certificate. Here you need to enter the domain name. After entering the domain name, click on Create Order. Here, your SSL order has been created. Now, we need to set up DNS record for our domain. Here, they gave us a CNAME record. We need to set up. To set up CNAME record automatically, click on Set up CNAME record. Here you can see the CNAME record have been set up. Please note that it may take up to an hour to take effect to DNS propagation. So we need to wait. After an hour, we will refresh this page. Yes, it is now ready. Now we can request a certificate for our domain. Click Request Certificate. Your certificate has been requested. It will be available soon. Again, we need to wait for the certificate. This time, 10 minutes is enough. Here you can see your domain name, certificate provider, Google Trust, status issued, created at this, issue date this, and expiry date this. Now below that you can see install SSL certificate automatically. Click on Install SSL certificate automatically. The SSL certificate has been installed. It may take up to 15 minutes for it to become active. Here you can see the status. No SSL certificate was found. So we need to wait. After 15 minutes, we will refresh this page. Yes, now you can see SSL certificate is active. Let's recheck our domain. Look, the domain is correctly listed in the certificate. Just enter the website to check the SSL manually. It is still showing not secure. Now get back to this page. Here you can see private key and certificate. Click on Show. Here are the keys. The work is almost done. Go to the control panel now and search SSL. Click on SSL TLS and then click Configure. Now copy the private key and paste it into the box. After this, don't forget to click on the upload button. Then copy the certificate and do the same as previously we did. Let's recheck our domain. Look, the domain is correctly listed in the certificate. Just enter the website to check the SSL manually. It is still showing not secure. But don't worry, I will make this secure. To make this secure, first go to your Infinityfree dashboard. Now click on Softiculous installer. Here you can see installations. Click on it. Now here you can see your website link. At the end you can see the logo of WordPress. Click on it. Here you can see the website URL. Before it was HTTP. Now I will change it to HTTPS. Now click on Save Site Info. Your information saved successfully. Now to recheck the domain, click on the URL, copy it. Now go to the new tab and paste it. Now click enter. Yes, it is working fine. If in your case it is still showing not secure, you should wait for 5 to 10 minutes for activation. After that time, refresh the page and see the SSL status. So this is the actual method of how to get free SSL certificate for WordPress in Infinityfree web hosting. If you like the video, then feel free to hit the like button and the subscribe button.